Hello, it's Miss Heather, piano and voice teacher here at Conservatory of the Ozarks, and I'm here today with
Alisa.
How old are you, Alisa?
8.
Today, Alisa gets to start Bass Clef. So we're going to do a video about the Bass Clef. This is for page 36 and 37, or no, 38 and 39 in the Hal Leonard Lessons Book Level 1. So this symbol right here is called the Bass Clef. It's called the Bass Clef because it's for low sounds. And the word bass means low. So that's how you can remember that the word bass clef means low sounds. You use your left hand to play in the bass clef. The bass clef has 5 lines and 4 spaces. Because you can see the bass clef sits on the staff. The way we remember the names of the line notes in the bass clef is gummy bears don't fly airplanes. Like this. Gummy bears don't fly airplanes. And the 4 space notes we remember with all cows eat grass. All cows eat grass from top to bottom. And the bass clef has another name. Sometimes it's called the F Clef. The reason it's called the F Clef, 2 reasons. 1, it takes its shape from an old-fashioned letter F. 2, it identifies the F line because the F sits right on the line that goes between the 2 dots right there. See how they colored it blue for you? And so the F, hopefully this will work out okay. The F right here, F3, 1, 2, 3, that F is the F that sits on the F line, and we will call it bass F sometimes. So if you have your thumb on middle C, your 5th finger is on that bass F. And this G here is where gummy bears start. So G2, gummy bears don't fly airplanes. So you just skip 1 white key. Can you try that? Gummy bears don't fly, oh no, fly airplanes. And the 4 space notes start with A3. All cows eat grass. So those are all of the bass clef notes that we need to know. Airplanes. And all cows. Yeah, great job. So, all those things that I just said to you, hopefully you'll have memorized by next week. Do you think you can memorize all of that?
Yes.
You're like, obviously, of course I can. I'm an all-star student, huh? Can you give yourself 2 thumbs up? 2 thumbs up for Alisa and the Bass Clef, yeah.